Hello everyone. Do you have a website for your business? Are you confused about how to maintain your website? Why does your website need regular maintenance? Due to the complexity of the online environment. Most updates are released to patch security issues and fix bugs, so by not updating your website, you are taking a risk of your website being hacked. Why buy a maintenance package? I can do this by myself. You can undoubtedly do it yourself. However, do you have the time needed to devote to guaranteeing your site is constantly prepared and working for your clients every minute of every day? When you have regular site support, it keeps you from doing what you should really do to develop your business. The best choice you can make is to choose a maintenance package and employ an expert to deal with it all. We have experts who are specialists in WordPress, PHP, content, SEO, and various tools. We solve all your maintenance issues. Our experts will provide you with the best maintenance solutions using the latest tools. We enhance your overall business. We provide the best website maintenance service. Try us out for website maintenance. BrightGeeks, adorning your dreams.